Little Wriggler, play and learn.
This time it's a bit different, okay? We're going to make a mango, banana and orange smoothie. This is a mango.
I love mango.
Yeah, that's a tricky one though to get out. That's a banana, that's right.
Orange.
And that is an orange. And we've also got some lime which we'll put in. And we've also got a little bit of a spice called turmeric. So, first things first, let's squeeze the orange, okay? Now, what we do with the orange is we're going to cut it in half. Careful of the knife. You're helping me? You're going to help me?
Yeah.
Hold my wrist. Okay, there we go. Thank you. All right. Now remember, you never touch the knives. They're very dangerous.
I won't touch
You won't touch the knives. Now we're going to squeeze the orange. Gently, gently.
It's going through the hole.
It's going through the holes. As I said, you need about 5 oranges because we're going to need about half a liter of orange juice. Okay.
I want to see it.
Okay, we'll see it in a minute. All right, here we go.
Yeah.
Do you want to help me?
Yeah.
So look at that lovely orange juice. What color is that orange juice?
Orange.
Orange. And what color is this lime?
Green.
Green. I'm going to cut up this banana. Banana is yellow on the outside and sort of white on the inside, isn't it?
Yes.
Just going to cut it up. Okay, try that piece. Let's put all this in. Now, can you put it in? Scrape it in.
Yeah.
With your hand. There you go. There you go. Good boy. Now, this is the tricky bit.
Mango.
The mango has a big fat stone in the middle. It's quite difficult to get out, actually. We'll try. But what we're going to do is just cut along the big stone.
No, not in a minute.
Not in a minute. All right, then let's see.
What was the knot?
There's the stone. It's in there. How about that? That's a big piece. Okay, try it. Is it nice?
It's nice.
Okay, you ready? Put it in with your hand. That's it. All right, then we're going to put a little squeeze of lime juice. A little bit of turmeric powder. Yes, we stir it up. Now we're going to put all of the orange juice into the blender. And then what are we going to do? What are we going to do next? Put the blender. That's right. Are you steady?
Yeah.
Are you going? Ooh, all done.
Finish that.
Yes. Some ice. You ready?
Yeah.
Go. Arrow. All right then.
I want to go back over there.
You don't need to. Let's try. See what we got. Ooh, look at that. Now, let's give you some in here. Now, try that. You ready?
Yeah.
Cheers.
Cheers.
Ooh, yummy, delicious, is it?
Look the taste of orange. That's good. Cheers.
Cheers.